Hello everyone, my name is Tanaz Warden and welcome to One Click Smile Teeth Whitening Kit video tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to take care of your LED light after you finish the treatment. So once the treatment is finished, your 10 minutes have finished and you take it out of your mouth, all you have to do is run it through the cold water. Make sure that the gel has completely come off from the plastic bits here. Just take the excess water off. And this is all concealed, so don't worry if the water goes onto the wire or anything. All you have to do is now dry on a towel, napkin, whatever you have got. And obviously you'll have the whole lid opened up, and all you have to do is put it back in the kit, like so. And you push all the wires back in, you put the pin back in. And that's that. Done. It is that simple, everyone. Okay, I'll see you in the next tutorials. Thank you very much for watching.